phase when I used to sing, but I haven't even. I don't even sing in my bathroom anymore. So forget about being a bathroom singer. I'm not a singer anymore. But yes, since you guys reminded me of it, I'll start singing. Maybe next live I'll sing. Yeah. डू यू नो मराठी? हो, मला मराठी येते चांगले बोलता. आणि मी म्हणजे आता खूप टाईम झाला आहे मी मराठी बोललो नाही, कारण का अमेरिकामध्ये. पण एक वेळा मी जेव्हा मुंबईला परत जाईल तर वेन आय मीट माय मदर, दॅट्स द टाईम आय स्पीक मराठी, दॅट्स द टाईम आय हॅव अ कॉन्व्हर्सेशन. अँड आय विल बी गोइंग टू पुणे व्हेरी सून. Well, it's my mom's birthday on 9th of July, so please wish her. Of course, how will you guys wish her? So you can send your wishes over here and I'll pass it on to my mother. It's on 9th of July. And yeah. Did you ever visit Odisha? Well, yes, I was there in Bhubaneswar for an event. Just for 2 days. Good event. Do you know Malayalam? Well, I don't know Malayalam, I'm sorry. Can you speak Tamil? No, I can't speak Tamil. I mean, come on. What do you guys expect me to do? Do you know Telugu? No, I don't know Telugu. Okay, I think I should just tell you guys instead of you asking me. I know a little bit of Spanish. I know Hindi. I know English. I know Marathi. I understand Punjabi. I understand Gujarati. That's it. Nothing beyond that. Oh, yeah. Bhojpuri also a little bit understand. Sindhi, of course. I understand. Yeah. I completely forgot. Yeah. Well, people are asking me to say something in particular languages. If you have any sort of questions, please go ahead. I'll be happy to answer. Well, Spanish is something that I love, the culture out there, and I think it's one place that I would like to settle if I want to settle in Spain. Yes, that's a confession that if I want to settle anywhere in the world, it would be Spain for me. So I don't know. I feel some sort of connection over there when I go there, and even the language, the culture over there, the people over there. So Spain is one of the places. Yeah. So when am I coming to Gujarat? I don't know. I mean, not anytime soon. But yeah, first let me come to India and then I can plan my other things. KYY का कोई dialogue? I have no idea. How can you guys expect me to remember a dialogue from ages back? I don't know. Hola Pooja, ¿cómo estás? Favorite movie right now? Well, favorite movie right now, I don't know. Yesterday I saw Bahubali again. I mean, I love the grandeur. I love the vision the director Rajamouli sir has, and the way he's executed it. The movie is so entertaining that I could watch it n number of times. Yes, I do love Bahubali, so I watched it. Well, thank you so much for thank you so much for wishing my mother, and it's her birthday on 9th. Yeah. What else? Any sort of questions? 7 years of KYY? Really? It's been 7 years? Wow, time flies, huh? It's been 7 years, my god. So this July, I think, yeah, 7 years. If it's been 7 years, yeah. Like I said, I'll speak with Nidhi for that, and we will come on. Thank you, Nikki. You're the best. Thank you so much. Cobra Kai. Someone said Cobra Kai. Well, actually, that got me excited. That was one of the good shows that I watched recently, and one of my favorite shows. In fact, Cobra Kai was fab. You guys should watch Cobra Kai, and it's a fabulous show. You guys will love it. Apart from that, favorite movie recently? I don't know. I mean, I've been watching so many movies. Yeah, I watched The Prestige again. I watched Inception again. So yeah. Hindi, it's been some time that I haven't watched anything out there. Tell us something about your upcoming projects, like hints. Okay, the hint I can give, it's a very known platform, and that it's a worldwide platform, and you guys can watch it, and it's a big show, and fingers crossed, and I'll be shooting very soon for that. So yeah, that's what I can say, and soon you'll get to know all the details about the show. Do you think about your life? Well, of course, like any other person, I think about my life, and even I'm sure you guys must be thinking about your lives too. I mean, where if things are going right, if things are going wrong. But let me tell you one thing. For me, that's what I've realized lately. Even, and I am an overthinker, by the way. I think a lot, like any other person. I don't know. I mean, I do think a lot, but I just want to say that life for me has been an unexpected journey. It's always been unexpected, and unexpected things have happened and fallen into my lap, and however things have progressed, I've gone with the flow, and that's what life has happened. I mean, whenever I have planned personally or I wanted something, unfortunately I haven't received. Yes, for that moment I am upset, I am frustrated, I am annoyed like any other human being, but life has given me good stuff, better stuff in return, and that's what I have realized, that life is all about unexpected events, unexpected journey, and that's what the fun is. Please take my name, Gunjan. There, I took a name. Some advice for fitness. Well, I just want to say that even if you work out like 4 to 5 times a week, that is more than enough. But it's not necessary that you have to hit the gym. You can do any sort of cardio activity. You can go for a run, and exercise is 40%, diet is 60%. So you need to focus on diet too, and you need to eat healthy. And now I can't give you a proper nutrition plan. I'm sorry about that. You can ask your nutritionist for that. But yes, you can avoid all the junk, avoid sweets, avoid a lot of oily stuff. So yeah, there you go. Favorite serial right now. So series I'm watching right now is I just finished up with Family Man season 2. It's a good show, and I'm sure you guys must have watched it, but I watched it right now. So yeah, it's a good show. People performed really well. Samantha performed exceptionally well, and I'm so it's she's an inspiration actually, and I've always loved her work, and yeah, she's pretty too. So yeah, Manoj Bajpayee, of course, is a outstanding performer, and it's always uh, so much to learn from him. It's an institution itself. What else? Tandoori Momo. I wish I could get in touch with you. Well, what would you offer me? Tandoori or Momo? Or both? Euro semi-final dekha, of course dekha. In fact, that's the good thing over here, that I could watch it during daytime, not nighttime like India. Late night, I don't have to survive. Over here, the matches come in the afternoon time, 3 p.m. Yes, all the matches, luckily for me. But yeah, I watched all the matches, and I watched today's semi-final. It was a good match, and the match went out into penalties, although England should have finished it off before only. But Denmark, hats off to them. They played really well. They played with good strength, and they had some character, really. They defended pretty well. And even yesterday's match was really good. So England and Italy look good in finals. Fingers crossed. I don't know who to cheer up for, but I think my gut feeling, or I want England to win. And like I'm sure there are a lot many people wanting England to win, because it's the home, and England. They say that is the cup coming home. So yeah, let's see. Fingers crossed. Favorite football player? Well, favorite football player, I think I like Mohamed Salah a lot from Liverpool, and I like his the way he carries himself, the way he conducts himself. He's also a great human being, and the way he plays, it's very much similar to in cricket. I find it very similar to MS Dhoni. It, you being so it's basically how you play and how you perform that should speak for you, rather than how what you speak in media, or how you behave. Rather than that, how efficient you are on the field, that is what counts. IPL favorite team? Well, I think I would go with CSK for that matter because of MS Dhoni. Yeah. Agastya, there, I can see you. You're not invisible. You are visible now. Okay. Please visit WB once. What's WB? I don't know what's WB. WB is Warner Brothers. I love Bengali food. I love many cuisines, and I miss that Bengali cuisine. Yes, definitely, I'll come back. And I have to catch up with a lot of people. I have to catch up with Pooja, Sahil, Shubvi, even Uday Baba for that matter, and Amna, of course. Erika, it's been ages since I have met her. Recently, I got in touch with her. We keep talking here and there. A couple of times I had conversations with her. But yeah, all good. Please take my name. Vaishnavi. There, I took your name.